Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Programmer, and in this video I am going to create an amazing project. So this is a mini project in which we are going to draw the sketch of the images. So yes, we are going to draw the sketch by using the Python language. So this is a very cool and interesting project. Watch the video till end and don't go anywhere. Without any further delay, let's jump into the main video. These are the 4 steps that we are going to follow in this video. I'm going to show you the image which I'm going to draw a sketch. And this is the beautiful image of a rabbit. And I'm going to draw the sketch of this rabbit by using the Python language. Okay, guys, now we are going to perform our first step, which is to install the OpenCV library. So just press this terminal button and now just type here pip install OpenCV Python and make sure you are typing the correct instruction. So now hit the enter button. So you can see here requirement already satisfied. So this is how you can install the OpenCV Python library. So now let's jump back and go and perform the second step, import CV2. So this is a package of the OpenCV library. So we are going to import the CV2 for this program. So now we are jumping to our second step, which is read the image in RGB format and then convert it into the grayscale image. Okay, guys, now I'm going to read the image by creating an object. So I'm creating an object name as img image and then using the CV2 class and using the method of imread. And now I am just giving the name of my file, which is bunny.jpg. So bunny, sorry. And you can see here, this is the name of my file. And now I'm converting my image into a grayscale image, which is basically a black and white image. So now I'm creating another object, which is gray image. And I'm using again the CV2 method. And now using the CVT, this is the method. This CV2 is the class and CVT.color is the method of that class. And now I'm giving here the 2 parameters. First is that image and second is the instruction. I'm typing here CV2.color. This is what I want to use. And so what this line of code do, this is simply convert our RGB image or a colorful image into a grayscale or a black and white image. Right? So what we are going to do in the third step, just we are inverting our grayscale image. So inverting the grayscale image means that enhancing the details of the grayscale image. And this inversion is also called as the negative image. So the inverted image is also called as the negative image. So for that, we are going to create another object, which is inverted. I'm using the convenient name for my objects. Inverted image is equals to minus. So what I'm going to do, 255 minus gray image. So we are going to minus this gray image from this figure 255 because in RGB, the highest value is 255. And I hope you all knew that. So in our final step, in step 4, we are going to create the pencil sketch by simply mixing the grayscale image with the blurry inverted image. So this is done by dividing it. So now we are going to type the code for the fourth step. I'm creating another variable, which is blur, right? And again, using the CV2 class and using the method, which is Gaussian blur, because Gaussian blur is also a feature of the Photoshop and other, editing software. So we are also using this class in Python because we are dealing with the image editing. Inverted image, comma, 21, 0. So this is how we can mix our inverted image with the grayscale image by using these figures. Inverted blur. And I'm repeating the same process, which is this, like 255 minus blur. now we got our pencil sketch. As I told you in first step, we have blurred the image by using the Gaussian blur method, and in the second step, we have minus our blur image from the 255. This is the highest value in the RGB. And in third step, we have divided the gray image from the inverted image with a scale of 256.0. So now it's time to display the image, and for that, I'm going to use the OpenCV method. Now it's time to display the image. So now I'm writing here like cv2.imshow. So imshow method is used to display the image. So I want to display both images, the original image and the sketch of that image. So first I am giving here the original image. Original image. This will be the name of my image, comma, image. Right? And now just repeat the same process for the sketch one and cv2 sketch. And this is the pencil sketch. So just replace over here pencil sketch. Last but not the least, we have to give here the wait time, like cv2 dot wait key, and here the 0 seconds. So now let's run it. So you can see that it is giving us a proper sketch. So this is a beautiful sketch of a rabbit. How simply you can create a sketch of any image by using the Python language. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot in this video.